Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to configure the Anodot AWS Usage Monitoring Agent. All the instructions can be found in our GitHub project in the link below. Let's get started. First, head to the Anodot AWS Usage GitHub project. From your Docker command line, clone the project to your local environment. The next step is to set the environment variables as described here. You'll now run the make create config command. After you run this, you'll need to supply the following: your customer URL for Anodot, your Anodot token, and your AWS account name. Your customer URL is the URL you use to log into your Anodot account. Copy and paste it here. Your Anodot token can be created from the API tokens page by an admin. Next, you need to specify which AWS region you would like to monitor and which services. The default is all services. And this is the YAML file that will tell the Lambda what function to extract. Now head over to your AWS account and create a new S3 bucket where you would like to deploy the Lambda file. Using the make deploy command, deploy the Lambda file to the S3 bucket you've just created. The next step is to fill the Terraform input file with the necessary data, which should mostly be about region. Here's how to fill out each of the required fields. For the S3 bucket, list the name of the bucket for the Lambda. Next, select the regions you want to monitor, and for function ID, set a prefix for your Lambda function. Finally, run the make create function command, and the Lambda is now in your functions list. You're all set. Anodot will start sending you real-time alerts when your AWS usage anonymously spikes or drops, so you can investigate quickly. Happy monitoring!